I'm going to give you a review of what the tour taker, the prosperity marketing system, can actually get access to, and it's very restrictive. It's literally to create a splash page. Now, a splash page can be used for anything you want it to use it for, and if your normal affiliate URL is not doing very well in your current opportunity, then these splash pages will work better for you. To access it, come to the Create Made tool. That brings you to this page here. Very simple to use it. You can give the page a name, call it whatever you want to call it. It's your choice, and nobody will see that by you. Then click A, so that they go into, when you're marketing the prosperity marketing landing pages, when they sign up for both prosperity marketing system and your autoresponder. In my case, I'm using Senshark, so they will go onto that list as well. Then you can choose either one of these two pages. They both work just as well as each other. But for this purpose, we're going to choose a normal squeeze page. Tick that, save it, and then from there, what you will then need to do is come across to the Splash tutorial, and when there, you'll see a video which will show you exactly how to build your splash page so you can customize it for your own use. And that's what a tour taker is allowed to use within the prosperity marketing system. Make sure that you give a thumbs up to the video below. Hit the bell button so that you get notified of every video that is going to be uploaded to my channel. And if you're watching this for the very first time, then please, if you want to get a tour of Prosperity Marketing System, click the link in the description box so you can take your own tour and see how good it will be for you. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you in the next video.